Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel Shades of Keturah. So today guys, I am in my kitchen and I will be doing a clean and reset in the space.
Morning sun slips through my blinds. A quiet world, my place to unwind.
Alright guys, it is extremely cold and sunny on the outside, but warm and toasty on the inside. This weekend guys, I think was an eventful weekend for a lot of people around the northern hemisphere with snowstorms, ice storms and the like. So but here in Canada, well, especially in Quebec, we experienced temperatures as low as -37. So needless to say, it was brutal outside. But guys, you know what, I'm curious to know whether you had any activity in your neck of the woods. Leave a comment and let me know whether you were affected by any snowstorm or anything like that, and you know what is the temperature right now in your neck of the woods. Right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, it's right now about -29 here in my area. So let me know. I'm just curious to know what's going on with you guys.
Jazz hums soft from an old record spin. This is how my soul drinks in. Lazy sips on a Sunday morn. Steam rises like dreams reborn. Blanket hugs as the moments chime. My Sunday.
Alright guys, so right now I'm just washing up some leftover dishes and I'm going to dry them up, hand dry them and put them away. So this one little thing, just by doing this one little thing, makes the space feel so much lighter already. Because my kitchen is pretty small, I don't have much counter space to play with. So I try as much as possible to keep things in order. It doesn't happen all the time. I'm trying to keep it real here. It doesn't happen all the time, so it just is what it is. So right now this is what I'm doing, and then I'm just going to move on to the next step.
My Sunday cozy coffee time. Morning sun slips through my blinds. A quiet world, my place to unwind. With a cup of gold in my hand, feels like heaven where I stand. Lazy sips.
So if you are new here and you are probably wondering what these boxes are all about, that's actually my coffee/tea station, and I do have a video on how I put it together. I placed the link in the description box, so if you would like to have a little bit more information on that coffee station, feel free to check it out in the description box.
Books sprawled, open tales untold. The mug keeps my hands from the cold. Jazz hums soft from an old record spin. This is how my soul drinks in. Lazy sips on a Sunday morn. Steam rises like dreams reborn. Blanket hugs as the moments chime. My Sunday cozy coffee time. Outside the trees sway in slow embrace. Inside I'm wrapped in a slower pace. No rush, no clock, no plans to keep. These walls are where my heart can leap. Lazy sips on a Sunday morn. Steam rises like dreams reborn. Blanket hugs as the moments chime. My Sunday cozy coffee time.
So now guys, I'm just cleaning out the tray that I keep my oils and vinegars in, and I'm wiping down the bottles since they tend to get a lot of, you know, the grease splatter from cooking. And guys, you have to know that this is really not my ideal setup in the kitchen, but again, due to lack of counter space, I keep them on top of the stove. So like I said earlier, it just is what it is right now. Sometimes we have to do what we have to do until we can do better.
Breaking every rule of rushing through the hours like we always do. The Sunday morning's got its own attitude. Easy like Sunday morning, let it be. Just let it flow. Take it slow with me. Easy like Sunday morning, let it be. Just let it flow. Take it slow with me.
So anyway, right now I am changing out the salt and pepper shakers that I had. I got these two from the first two from HomeSense, and now I'm just replacing them with these two that I also got from HomeSense recently, and they are black with the wood detail, and this is the theme that I'm really trying to develop here in the kitchen with these accessories. I'm trying to develop a black. You guys know that one of my signature colors is black, so I want to use black with the wood detail, with whatever pieces that I get to bring into the kitchen. And so that is what I'm doing right now, just changing them out. And the other two, I'm not going to hold on to them. I'm just going to pass them on to my sister because she had expressed interest in them earlier, so I'm just going to get rid of them.
Comme si le monde entier nous respecte.
Easy like Sunday morning, let it be. Just let it flow. Take it slow with me. Easy like Sunday morning, can't you see? This is how we're meant to breathe. Bare feet on cool tile. Your sleepy eyes, that crooked smile. Oh yeah. No agenda, calling out our names. Just this peaceful pause between life's games.
Watch the way the lights shift, slow and true. Every ordinary moment feels brand new. When we stop the world from spinning fast, these simple hours are the ones that last.
Easy like Sunday morning, let it be. Take it slow with me. Easy, like Sunday morning. Can't you see? This is how we're meant to breathe. La la la. Oh yeah. Let it flow. Let it flow. La la la. Oh yeah. Take it slow. Take it slow. Morning light creeps through the blind.
Alright guys, so I am now going to swap out the utensil holder for this one. The present utensil holder that I have is actually a vase that I had gotten from HomeSense, and I just painted over it in black. This utensil holder is the same as the salt and pepper shakers. They may very well be a set, but when I got them on two separate occasions. They were not displayed as a set in the stores. I actually bought them separately. So, but anyway, it all lined up together. Everything just fell in place, and I'm very satisfied with what they look like.
Easy, like Sunday morning. Let it be. Just let it flow. Take it slow with me. Easy, like Sunday morning. Can't you see? This is how we're meant to breathe.
Le soleil dessine des formes sur le sol. Ton sourire endormi, c'est tout ce qu'il faut. Dans ce silence, tout le temps s'arrête, comme si le monde entier nous respecte.
Easy, like Sunday morning. Let it be. Just let it flow. Take it slow with me. Easy, like Sunday morning. Can't you see? This is how we're meant to breathe. Bare feet on cool tile. Your sleepy eyes, that crooked smile. Oh yeah. No agenda, calling out our names. Just this peaceful pause between life's games.
Watch the way the lights shift, slow and true. Every ordinary moment feels brand new. When we stop the world from spinning fast, these simple hours are the ones that last.
Easy, like Sunday morning. Let it be. Just let it flow. Take it slow with me. Easy, like Sunday morning. Can't you see? This is how we're meant to breathe. La la la. Oh yeah. Let it flow. Let it flow. La la la. Oh yeah. Take it slow. Take it slow.
Alright, so now I am bringing in this simple floral arrangement. Now both the stems and the vase are from HomeSense. And guys, I like this vase so much, you have no idea. Because it has a look and feel of charcoal, and because of that it reminds me of when my family used to make charcoal from scratch back at home in St. Lucia. So because of that, when I saw it in the store, I just had to have it, guys. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this video. The floors I did do off camera, and this is basically how you would meet my home on any given day, unless I'm bringing you guys some decorating inspiration. So that's it. If you haven't watched the clean and reset in the living room and entryway, I have placed the link in the description box if you would like to do so. Please remember, as always, to like the video and to leave your feedback in the comment section. Guys, thanks again so much for watching the video. Take care of yourselves as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.